Okay, we're at one of my houses that we did some testing at, so we wanted some additional ones. Spectre found stuff under floors. He wants to double check a couple things, so we're here to take a few more samples. So I'm just taking one of our metal like a rummage while I'm here. There's a little bit of wire I might grab and a couple things, but we'll see. Posting my tire machine today, so there's a little bit of wire and stuff. Maybe we'll grab the screen door and a few things. This is a crescent, huh? 10 speed. Take that off. Okay. Oh, why is that door rusting on the bottom? It's a steel insert. A little bit of wire, whatever can scramble out of here. Without going too crazy. So they removed everything they had to remove here. Just a couple minor things they want us to check out. Wire here, thick wire. Oof, hard to cut. I'll take the other cutter, I think. It's too hard. Okay, let me get organized. I think someone's been in here already. Took a bunch of wires out. You can see them all cut from going upstairs. I almost think this wire went down in price a little bit because it seemed to be a little bit more expensive. The axe works really good. For this one. Wire, not much, but okay, I'm gonna go downstairs, take a quick look. All the copper's gone, but there's a little bit of wire here and there. Okay, don't see too much. It's all been cut. So I came in here, cut them all. Steel. That's a nice big one here. Cable. Get through the appliances here. Let me just get organized here. Cut a few more wires so but stand by. Kinda don't like this wire, but the price is so good. No choice. If it's easy, you grab it. There's steel, can't cut it. Aluminum kind of wire mixture. A little copper there. Oh. Water's on. Yeah, low beams, yeah. Everything's low here. Copper pipe is here. Nice little run. Cut here. Okay, I'm gonna grab what's easy because I don't have much time. This one's a big one here. 220 line. Taken. Everything's so low here, it's a problem.
Okay, Phil, I gotta go, Phil.
Okay, good. Let me get the samples ready.
No, the samples are here,
Okay, I'll take them.
and I just want to show you.
One second. Buddy had to leave. So, I'll take a few more wire over here. One. There it is. Be very careful when you strip this type of staples. You don't step on them because they'll go right through your shoes, running shoes if you have proper shoes. That's why I run steel toe shank at all times. It's aluminum wire, but I don't think it's worth bothering. If I was doing a demo here, it'd be different, like the full demo part. I don't want to mess around for some low grade stuff. A good chunk of copper, which I'm happy. This looks like BX. Yeah, that's BX. BX is worth a lot of money right now. Where's the rest of the BX? It's a long stretch actually. It's definitely worth taking. $1.50 a pound. It's good money. This one was steel. Loose. Okay. copper here. See, a lot of copper in here. Okay. I missed this. It's not a Coca-Cola, but it's still, I missed that when I did inspection. Bottle opener. Usually I don't miss that kind of stuff, but you know, such an old house. We spent so many samples here we took originally. Main inspector guys wants more, but you know, sometimes you have to, right? Just so many renovations and changes. Take a wall down and there's something behind the wall which you won't see. Wrist is sore, so I gotta go take it easy. Oh, look at this one here. Ah, nice. Someone goofed up. Oh, missed it. Probably goes upstairs to the kitchen or something. Okay, so let me just keep working here. Back in 2 minutes. Okay, so basically, all the wire down here that I want cut already. Good amount of BX too. Copper here. Use it for ground rod or ground wire. So I sold my wire today. We added up real fast. It's over $2 a pound. I mean, it was $2.20 a pound or something. It adds up really fast. Okay. Low beam. Okay, let me just keep going at this. I'm in the attic now. There used to be bedrooms up here, they're gone, but a good amount of BX. Not bad. See, that's a steel BX, but still sellable. Look at this. Drummond's biscuits. Victorian Vancouver biscuit tin. Okay. Very much up here. A couple runs. There's a bunch of med springs here. Must be in the attic or something. Wire. Sometimes you can find cool stuff. Just never know. Huh. All the steel stuff was cut already. I think they paid pretty good, even for the steel stuff. I cannot figure it out. Maybe 90 cents a pound for this, and I'm not sure. Steel. These two are steel. Bill was a little bit confusing today, but price was good. So if you're hard to hear me, I'm wearing a mask, so it's dusty here. This is steel again. Oh, there's a little bit here. I can't remember if there was a stove up here or something. Okay. Okay. An old trunk there. It's actually nice, but got no liner. Inside liner's gone. That's the one. If you saw my inspection, that was the one I showed you before. Nice steel trunk. Okay. Pull the majority of the wire, besides the fuse box area and other spots. Good wire there, see that? I used to buy those 15-20 cents a pound for those years ago. I don't know what they do nowadays, but okay. Let's put a lit. I'm supposed to pick my tire machine up today. It's an antique one, but very nice one. It's a Coates, very nice one. It's a manual one with some modifications on it. Okay. I thought I had a sawzall with me, but nope. There's actually a couple of pipes that I want to take out, but I can't. I thought I brought it with me, but I kind of forgot as I rushed to the scrapyard. Kind of forgot. Okay, here's another one here. I'll show you the couple of pipes there in a second. There's one right here that I wanted. Two there. I wanted this one here. Ooh, that's a tough pipe. Wow. Huh. Nope. Oh, it's tough. I can't move it. It's not going to be coming. Okay, well, the pipe fell down somewhere here. $2, $3 piece here. I want to get this out here. This one I wanted. Even though it's steel, can't cut it. It would have been a good piece. Maybe get some of it. Some is better than no nothing, right? It weighs about 10 pounds. Okay, I think this is it on this old house. Okay, that's it.